CAY, we plenty. Nobody dey perfect. But we strive towards perfection. Forget that one. Sorry, perfection, that one na story, na fairy tale, no go work. But we have the Holy Spirit. My guy, forget, Joe. Okay, I like goats. What about that? Wait, are you okay? AY, stop playing. What is this now? No.
Oh, you're back. Gosh. Bro, calm down now. You have to be calming down. You are a goat.
Preview.
It didn't make sense, right? Don't you ever do that again. See, the way you felt about me acting like a goat is how everyone feels when a child of God puts his hand into sin. Before salvation, you could be anything. But since you received the life of Jesus, you are no longer what you used to be. The same way you thought I had gone mad is the way everyone feels when they see you sin, because it is against your nature. You are dead to sin and alive to God, the Bible said. So, if you see a dead man talking, you know something is wrong, right? Okay, I get your point. But how do we get rid of old habits, especially if one just got saved? His memory is not wiped now. Romans 12 verse 2 says, "Let God transform you inwardly by a complete change of your mind. Then you'll be able to know the will of God, what is good and is pleasing to Him and is perfect." We just have to cooperate with the Holy Spirit. Remember the story of the lost sheep that was found. The shepherd carried it on his shoulder and went home. If the sheep struggle with the shepherd, then it can't make it. The best it will do on its own is to wander and get eaten by predators.
Stop that.
That wasn't me.